What up, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all bosses. Guys, that is my agenda for this channel, to make all your online bosses. Guys, I'm just so happy and buzzing to show you guys ways to make money that doesn't cost you nothing. I don't like sharing crypto and NFT projects that are already high. I like to show you projects that are low or free. So that's what gets me excited, guys. All right, guys. Okay, waste no time. Free mint meta. Basically, NFT projects that are free to buy. Free, don't cost you nothing. Gas fee, couple of dollars. So what? But free to buy. And if you get the right ones, free to mint. If you get the right ones, guys, you can make thousands of dollars. Right. So I called this one on my YouTube channel a couple of days ago. It went up to 1.5 Ethereum, $1,500, and it would have cost you zero. Guys, NFT free mint is the new meta, and I'm about to show you guys all the upcoming projects. Today, I'm going to show you 3. Okay, let's get straight into this. Before I get into it, guys, I want to show you about Goblin Town, where it all started. Started from Goblin Town. This was a free mint, and it's 3.5 floor. I think it went up to about 8 Ethereum, so it went up to $10,000 at one point for free from a free mint. Now everybody's following the same kind of meta. That's what you do, guys. We follow trends. If something works, everybody else will do more, and this is where we make money. This is where we capitalize on. Okay, so I'm gonna blast through the 3 upcoming mints for you guys. 1, Misfits, only 333 mint supply, 150,000 followers. This is gonna go crazy. If you get into this free mint and there's only 333 mints, what if it's gonna happen? The buys on OpenSea and the secondary market is gonna go crazy. Okay, that's 1. Moving on. Coliseum, nuts. Everybody's going crazy on this. All the big guys that are watching this one, guys. 144,000 followers and free to mint, and only 110 supply. You definitely want to check this one out, guys. This one is going crazy. Art's pretty cool as well. They've got some great things going on here with a marketplace. You know they're going to do a marketplace. Got a nice little storyline. Going to blow. Okay. Love this one because it reminds me of Doodle, guys. Only thing I don't like, it's got a bit of a high supply for the meta, but look at those followings. And so many notable buyers are following them as well, guys. But 555 supply, but it's free. So no doubt this is going to do amazing. And I love the art. The art reminds me a bit of the Doodle vibes. So you can't really monitor this. Free mint. Guys, try to get into these projects. He asked me, online boss, how do I get into these projects? Guys, you've got to get into the Discord. Every single project has different measures. Some you have to, kind of jump through hoops. Be engaged, engaging in the Discord. Ask questions, talk, be of value. Some will say you got to tweet, and you get picked out of a certain amount. Guys, it all depends on the project. I'm bringing this to you. You see what I'm bringing to the table, see why I'm bringing to the table, and then you go in and find how you can get into this project. Because I can't help you if you can't help yourself. That's how we do this channel, guys. We all are here to make financial gains, to be online bosses. And I'm going to help you as much as I can do. All right then, guys. This is a quick one. I want to do a nice little quick video to show you guys how to make money. Give you guys the tools. All right, guys, if you like this short content video, subscribe to the channel. And just remember, guys, I'm your online boss. I'm here with no agenda. I'm here to give you guys value. I'm here to build the bestest, most profitable community on the planet. All right, guys, till next time, peace out.